Well, hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today it is like the second hottest day of 2024 here in Indiana, and a while ago you saw I had a big oak and I split it all up. Well, it came from my neighbor's, and she had the other end of it dropped recently, so of course I want the wood, and here's the other end of it. So this is the base. It's all rotted obviously, but still tons of good limb wood. So yesterday after work I came over here and I sorted out all the logs, got rid of the brush. I made all these brush piles so I can burn it later. And then I cut up the trunk of it here, and it is big. My 32-inch bar was buried and I had to cut on both sides of it. We got some more logs and stuff here, and I've got the dump trailer and the bob kitten. So I'm going to load it all up tonight and get it on out of here. So I know last time when I did it, these big oak chunks, even with just forks on, it was really all the bobcat wanted. So we'll see if I can pick those up. But my goal is to put those on the bottom, roll them in the bottom, and then pile the top with limbs and whatnot and smaller stuff. So I've got the forks and the grapple. I'm choosing to use the forks because they are probably 200 pounds or something compared to the 500-pound grapple. So that will definitely increase my lift capacity. So that is the plan. I'm going to get you set up and we're going to try and get this done tonight. so I did my loading with the fork, and I was gonna keep using them. But loading with forks, when you have a grapple, the forks just piss you off because the logs slide everywhere. And that's definitely one thing I love about this mini skid steer, is it's just so easy to step off of, and you can easily switch attachments. It's not like it's a chore to get out of and put it in park. You just hop off and you can change it. So I got the grapple on here now, and I will definitely tell you, I am super pleased with this grapple so far, and I'm very glad I bought this style of grapple over some of the other ones, and I will tell you why. So that will do for this load. I'll show you. It's pretty full. Luckily we're just going next door, so I don't need to strap it or anything, but it is pretty full on there. The bottom is stuffed with all those big rounds, and I put some logs on top, so hopefully it'll dump it and I don't have to use some extra hydraulics from another machine to help get it up. So I'm going to leave these doors open because literally I'm just going right next door, and my plan is I never have to get out of the truck, and I just back up, hit the button, and dump it, and come right back. Not too bad, not too bad. Those are some big chunks. Big chunks. Like on Home Alone, where he says, have you guys had enough, or are you thirsty for more? We're thirsty for more. Let's go. forgot about all these logs right over here, so I'm gonna pull my truck right there again and load them up. I'm definitely not loading this stack like neatly or anything, and like I said, it's just going right next door, so no real need to perfect what we got going on. Just get it done. Yeah, that is not neat at all. It'll work though. I'll get this stuff in there. So this is what I'm talking about. That bottom is angled up when it's sitting flat. So when you tilt the grapple like this, that bottom can really scrape the debris, but it doesn't really dig in because those edges are rolled, and then you have that bar back there to where it's working. Yes, it could dig in if I tilted it more, but this angle is perfect. So what I like to do when I do these is I shove everything to a pile, and then with that giant cloth, I'll grab a grapple, you know, chunks of it, take it to the fire. But that really works nice as far as cleaning up. Like this area I just went over, and I mean, obviously it's not hand raked, but it leaves a really good finished product. So Little Bob worked great, and I got a trailer full of messed up wood here, but I'm gonna spend some more time and rake everything up pretty good, and I'm gonna come back this weekend and burn it all. So that'll be it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.